This is Mayor John Glidden of Closter. I'm communicating again today with all residents of Closter to discuss the coronavirus and outline what the leadership of Closter is doing to curb this virus and help our community stay healthy. First, an update of the coronavirus cases by region. The United States has confirmed 6,200 cases, 111 deaths. The state of New Jersey has 267 confirmed cases, 3 deaths. Bergen County has 84 confirmed cases, 2 deaths. The Borough of Closter has confirmed 2 cases, 1 elderly man in the hospital with health issues and 1 58-year-old male. We have no further information on these 2 cases at this time. In Closter, we've been conducting regular meetings of the Mayor's Task Force on the coronavirus. The task force has been dealing with numerous mandates issued by the Governor of New Jersey and Bergen County Executive, and we have initiated specific mandates for Closter. Closter has taken the following actions with respect to our daily activities. All areas of Closter municipal government remain operational, including police, fire, ambulance, DPW, and Borough Hall departments. The Closter Borough Hall is operating but is closed to the public and locked. Any borough business to be done remotely by calling our departments or by email. If there is a public emergency, police emergency, residents may come to the police department by calling the main number in advance. That's 201-768-5000. With respect to the Closter Volunteer Ambulance and Rescue Corps, please remember that our ambulance is made up of volunteers, and we are very busy. If you or a family member have suspected contact, call your doctor to arrange testing. If symptoms are detected, drive yourself or family member to the hospital. Do not call for an ambulance unless it is a true emergency. I repeat, ambulance is only for true emergencies. All commercial businesses in Closter may continue to operate with the exception of the following. Places of gathering of more than 50 people. These include theaters, gyms and workout centers, and churches. Any gathering of 50 or more is not allowed. I will warn you that these procedures may become more restricted over time. All businesses in Closter must cease operations between the hours of 8 p.m. and 5 a.m. In addition, the borough recommends that all residents and families practice voluntary self-quarantine at home between the hours of 8 p.m. and 5 a.m. With respect to restaurants, which may be open for takeout only, we are assembling a list of restaurants, phone numbers, and hours of operations, and we will publish this list on the Closter website shortly. All recreation programs are suspended until further notice. Parks remain open for exercise and fresh air, but all team sports are canceled and there should be no group play until further notice. All playgrounds are closed and roped off, and I ask you please honor these closures. All Closter schools, the Closter Senior Center, and the Closter Library remain closed until further notice. Finally, please be aware that seniors, those over 60, are the most vulnerable of our population. Please check on your neighbors who are seniors. If any seniors have particular needs, such as frailty or health issues, please register with the Borough Operation Concern List by calling the Closter Police Department. One final note on seniors. The Closter Stop and Shop is now open for seniors only during the mornings between 6 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. You should be aware that the federal government through FEMA is planning a tent coronavirus testing center in the parking lot of Bergen Community College, which should be operational by the weekend. Our first responders have priority, but the public will be able to reserve by calling a number to be published when it becomes available. Finally, I would like to reiterate the guidelines of the Closter Health Department for basic preventive measures and planning and preparation to defeat this virus. Follow these preventive measures at home, work, and in program settings. First, hand washing and disinfecting of frequent used surfaces. Wash hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. When soap and water are unavailable, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Clean and disinfect frequently used surfaces and objects. Avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Cover nose and mouth with a tissue when coughing or sneezing. As always, maintain extra food and water at home in case your usual routine must change. For individuals taking prescription medications, ensure there are refills available. Make sure you have a working thermometer and over-the-counter medications like decongestants, expectorants, and analgesics. If possible, identify a room or area of the household that can be used to separate someone who is sick. Make sure you have a backup plan in place in case an individual's primary caregivers or support staffs are unable to provide care. Talk to family, relatives, and friends about how they can help. Any questions, please call the health department. In terms of personal remarks, I will update this information every 48 hours. Closter is a strong town of educated people, and we care about our community. There's no need for panic, but there is need for diligence, especially social distance. May God bless the Borough of Closter, and may God bless the United States of America. Thank you.